Good morning, Vicki with Vicki Woo Marketing, and I'm here today with another Marketing Mythbuster. This one says that more website traffic always equals more money. That's just not the case, and I'll tell you why. There's a distinct difference between traffic to your website and converting into a customer. That conversion is the piece that makes you money. Unless you have a website that the whole purpose of it is to run ads through like an AdSense network or something like that. In that case, yes, more traffic to your website could directly make you more money. Most people are driving people to their website to try to turn them into customers. Traditional SEO has been really focused on driving people to the website, but once they got there, you were kind of on your own. The new SEO, with some of Google's new algorithm updates, really takes into account user intent, the customer journey, and more importantly, with an update they're planning for 2021, user experience on your website. So now there's things you need to be doing on your website to enhance your SEO that aren't really about traffic at all. Yes, I have people argue with me that having 1 million people coming to your website is still better than 100. And I guess you could accidentally turn some of those million into customers. But realistically, you have to put a lot of work into that kind of traffic generation or a lot of ads, whatever it is, it's inefficient. I would still rather having 100 people come to my website that I have a really good chance of turning into a customer than have 1 million people that I only have a chance of turning 100 into a customer. Do you see the difference I'm getting at here? It's more efficient, more effective to have the right customer coming to the website, one that is likely to actually convert into a customer. And it's important to have your website structured to make that easy for them. That's one of the strategies that we actually teach in our new SEO Accelerator program. We take some of these enhanced, newest strategies of SEO from Google, combine them with traditional search engine optimization strategies, both on your site and off your site, the technical pieces that you need to do, making sure those basic pieces are in place, and then pivoting your thought process to think about SEO in a whole new way to closely correlate with those updates that Google is making. Yes, traffic's good, but traffic that converts into a paying customer that positively impacts your bottom line is even better. Check out our website to get information on our new SEO Accelerator and to join the wait list. We open each session to a small handful of entrepreneurs so that you can receive as much one-on-one attention as possible. And it's right on the front page of our website, right under the hero image. Go to vickiwoo.marketing, scroll down just a bit, and you'll see the new SEO Accelerator and be able to get on the wait list and learn a bit of information about some of these strategies that are designed to both attract new visitors to your website, the right kind of visitors, and work towards helping you convert them into paying customers. Maybe traffic is king, but let me tell you, conversions are queen. As always, if you have any marketing questions, you can ask them down below or visit our website, vickiwoo.marketing, and in the lower right corner, you'll see a chat bubble icon. You can ask your question there. We'll try to answer you directly, or we may use your question on an upcoming episode. While you're here, check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss the latest marketing tips.